What up, guys? This is Pastor Kanoe again. We're coming up with another video in JavaScript, and today we're going to be talking about global scope. In JavaScript, there is two types of scopes. There is a global scope and also functional scope. As I mentioned before, we're going to talk about global scope. Variables can be declared in a scope. When we start coding in this file, in this JavaScript file, we are in a global scope, and we can create a variable here that this variable can be accessed anywhere in the application. Um, for example, let's just create a variable let's just do product ID. Let's give it values 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and then let's create a function by the name show product ID, open and closing parentheses, not passing any parameters to that one. And then right here we're going to console log, or let's just do show message, and we're going to do product ID right there. Actually, let's just say this is the product ID. Let's concatenate that, and I just say this is the product ID. Okay, now let's call the function. We're going to say show product, show product ID, cool beans, open close parentheses. Let's not forget, let's just do a semicolon at the end. Same thing over here, know that, but the semicolon. Let's save it and refresh our browser, and then we have this is the product ID 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. As you can tell, we didn't declare this variable right here inside our function, but it was declared over here in our global scope right here. So a lot of this works really good. A lot of times when we create so many variables, for example, we can say username. Let's just do, oh man, what the heck, I can't even type, username equals to, let's just do Peter, and let's just do comma, let's just do comma over here, and then let's create another variable by the name order number, equals to 1 2 let's just do 459, yeah, and then enter with semicolon. So right here there's three variables in our global scope, right? So when you have so many variables in the global scope, that can create a lot of bugs. And also this is called pull loading the global scope. And one way to fix this, it would be to create one variable, which we're going to do a const. Let's just do app. Oh crap, let's just do this. Let's just go back. Okay, let's create a variable right here, const, and let's just say app equals. So we're going to create an object right here, and all of these variables right here, they're going to become to be properties of the object right here. And this can fix the issues that we have. Let's just do columns instead of equals right here. Okay, let's get rid of that. So, and now that should fix our issues. Like if you want to use a lot of variables, we just gotta use an object and use properties inside, so we can have and use all of that information, all that data in the functions, right? Okay, for example, we save that and use it, refresh our browser, is giving a product ID is not defined, which is right. So let's just do what we need, product ID. um, let's just do app that product ID, save that, and that should fix our issues. We just do username right here, and that should work too, and that should give us the name Peter, order number, you know, order number. Let's save that and refresh our browser, and that worked. The order number is 459. So this was just a quick video, and hopefully this helped you out understand a little bit more about global scope. All right, so thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.